Hello friends, now let's do the last problem of the array set 1, problem 6, wherein given array of numbers, we'll have to split the array such that, let me explain that in an example. Suppose I take an array like say 1, 3, 5, 7, 16. For this, it will be split into two arrays. Like one will be the sum of one number in the array, like in this case 1, 3, 5, 7, which leads to 16, which is this number. So this is how we will have to design this array. For this I have written a logic and also tested for this program through IDE, and the solution has worked out to me the way I wanted this output for basically for. So for me, I'm returning in this case I'll be returning the index of this number, the highest on this. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically I'll have to return 4 as my output. So to do this, as usual in the main function I will be passing that array and I'll be passing the array dot length. So let me go to the function to do that directly. So now I will do highest. I'll just give that as that. So now int array, now int 10. So to do this, the two main things that we have to do is, we know that to get this output, it is the sum of this. So the logic that I am trying to find is like if 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 16. So this will be the double of it. 16 twos are, that is 32. So if you see that, now if you subtract each one of that, we will get if we will get into a point where that subtracted number and one of the number will be the same, because 32 minus 16 will be 16. So that will be our index. So that is for any case given, because it is doubled that integer. So with that same logic, what we will do is, we will have to go through two loops. One is to get the sum. Now that we find the sum, we will have to find the difference of that. As I said, like 32 minus 1, is that equal to 32? No, sorry, 1, sorry, no, it's not equal. So now let's say 32 minus 3 equals to 3. No. So like when I go with this logic, when I come to 32 minus 16, so it is equal to 16. So this is what distinguishes or difference, gives the difference. So we can get that index of this array element by doing that. So let's write the logic accordingly. Now I will take int sum equals to 0, and also I'll have I. Now for I equals to 0, I is less than equal to n minus 1, I plus plus. First I will do the sum of this. Okay, for that sum equals to sum plus array of I. So this will loop through like 4 times, 0 to 5 times, and get the sum. After getting the sum, we will do another for loop. I'm using the same variable as we had I declared already. I didn't want to create another variable. So this loop, okay, this is to find the sum, and this is to find the difference and return it as output. So now as this logic we will be performing in this. So as we said, we will have to compare. To do that, if of sum minus array of I, okay, is equal to the same. It should come back with the output required, this array of I. So if that matches, then we will return that index of that. Else if nothing worked out, it is -1. So this is my logic for this problem.